pas content de... Grimace, sans chien, imbécile. Pas craser. Pas mal, non. Pas mal, non.
I can't.
Nous pas mal.
Well, I can't burp. I'm sorry. I can't burp in my own room. I can't burp in my own room. I can't burp. I would never die, and I'ma always burp. I'll never die. If y'all don't drink Coca-Cola, you better drink Pepsi. Look what you did in my room, Daddy.
On s'est passé, ma coupé dans la classe, plus là. Je prends avec tout ça, crasse, tout ça, dans la galerie. Puis tout le monde est là, sur mon petit qui est fou. Imbécile.
So the man just hit me with the soda on top of my head. Look at my bed, y'all. Look at my bed. Look at my bed. Look at my pillow. Stephen Joe, I would never die. Subscribe to the channel. YouTube.com. Yeah, man, take it, man.
I'm a weird nigga, psychopathic. My flow not like a religion you can't practice. Practically a rebel, I'm hotter than the fucking devil. And for you niggas around me, get off my fucking level. Let me kick back some knowledge. I contain more intelligence than those who went to college. Sipping on some 40 ounce, looking at the body count with a ski mask and rob niggas till they last amount.
What's up, it's your boy Stephen Joe, aka Mr. Kaka.
It's your boy Lo, aka Mr. Lolo.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you want more funny videos. That's the only way I'm gonna make these videos.